Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Petty.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
So tell me, your name is Abu?
Yeah, my name is Abu Raihan.
Okay, nice to meet you. So tell me, why do you want to learn English today?
You know, English is an international language, so it is
Mm-hmm.
very important to learn English to
Mm-hmm.
communicate other people. How's it going?
Going great. It's going great. A little bit cold here. So then, tell me, so how long have you been learning English for?
I'm learning English last 6 months.
Awesome. So then, do you feel like you're making progress, or what do you feel you need to work on?
I'm feeling very progress rather than uh, before.
Awesome. That's good to hear. That's good to hear that you feel like you are making progress. And what do you do? Do you go to a private tutor or do you watch TV, movies?
I'm doing self-study only.
Self-taught. You're self-taught.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Today we are gonna talk about two English words. One is some and another is any. So could you please help me with these words?
Mm-hmm.
How can we use this in our daily life? You can start with some.
Yeah, some think that it's unnecessary to learn English. Some, a few.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah.
As far I know that
Hmm.
some is a positive word.
Either positive or negative. It doesn't really depends on the context you're using it in.
Yeah. Also,
Hmm.
we can use this word to
Hmm.
make tea. Like, could you please give me some sugar?
Yeah, can you make some tea for me or some? Can you make some coffee for me, please? Can you pass me some sugar, milk? Mm-hmm.
Or could you please give me some water? Like this.
Exactly. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
How can we use any in our daily life?
You can say like anybody. Anybody uses.
Anybody.
Yeah, anybody can use. Um, I don't know. Anybody can use a smartphone now. Mostly anybody. So,
Mostly.
anybody. Mm-hmm. So, and then anything. We could talk about anything. Any animal. Mm-hmm.
Also, we can use this in restaurant. Like, do you have any starter?
Uh-huh. Yeah, exactly. Mm-hmm.
Or do you have any vegetarian starter options?
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, very good. Mm-hmm.
Do you prefer any starter?
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Do you prefer any starters? Or well, in US we don't say starters. We use appetizers. I think in the UK they do say starters.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah. So you can say appetizers instead. Well, it depends on where you're going, but yeah, for sure. Mm-hmm.
So bottom line is we can use these words in our daily life easily
Exactly.
when we are referring something undefined.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Exactly. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Thanks for help me to addressing these words.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no problem.
Have a good day.
All right, you too. Bye bye.